Okay, so to find the x and y intercepts, and I know you guys didn't do any kind of conic sections this last year, but an ellipse is just something like the flattened oval, right? And you have horizontal ellipses and vertical ellipses, depending on whether the y-axis is called the focal axis or the x-axis is the focal axis. And the thing about a focus, well, let's do that. See, an ellipse is two centers, and we call those the foci. And in the Earth-Sun system, this would be, the sun would be one, well, the sun wouldn't necessarily be a focus and the Earth wouldn't be a focus, but somewhere along that line, there's the centerpiece. And what it is if you connect a string between those two focus points and sketch it, it's going to look like an oval like that. It's pretty cool that it works that way. Anyways, so how do I find the x and y intercepts? So if I have an x-axis and a y-axis, I know that that point is 0, y. So x equals 0, and I know that point is 0, negative y. So if x equals 0, I'm going to substitute that in. And then 0 divided by 16 is 0. So y squared over 636 equals 1. So if I just treat this like a proportion, if you want, y squared times 1 equals 36. I'll take the square root of both sides. So y equals plus or minus 6. So that tells me this point, well, I don't know which way it goes, but I know this point is positive 6, and I know this point is negative 6. Then we'll do the same thing to find the x-intercepts, in which case y is 0. So x squared over 16 plus 0 squared over 36 equals 1. So x squared equals 16, right? Because that's 0. And I'm going to multiply everything by 16, and x equals plus or minus 4. So I've got x-intercepts of negative 4, 0. Y-intercepts of positive 4, 0. I've got y-intercepts of 0, negative 6, and 0, positive 6. And then to graph that, let's see what Y open math wanted. Let me come back to that. Well, let me stop my share here. Let me come back to my open math. And they aren't asking me to list anything. Oh, I do. There's the x-intercept. So I think, yes, they want an ordered pair. So what was it? It was negative 4, 0, positive 4, 0. And then the y-intercepts were 0, negative 6, comma, 0, positive 6. Usually they like to put it in order. I don't know if it doesn't like the parentheses or not. Let's see. See, it doesn't like that space. Doesn't like that. Doesn't like that space. Doesn't like that space. Okay, it looks like it likes that. And then to graph it, I'm going to click on the ellipse. There's the center. And then we're going to put it up. And then I see what I want to do is I want to put those vertices so it lines up with the x and y intercepts. Let's see how I do. And it likes it all. Okay, so that's how you find the x and y intercepts of an ellipse and then graph it.